Hi guys, Steph here, and yes, we've got quite a special pen for you today. You can see there to the front of the box we've got Parker. Comes in this lovely outer box, and then if we open this up for you, look at that. Inside we've got this sort of snakeskin style box, and very reminiscent of the earlier Parker fountain pens. I've got lots of these boxes available from sort of the 1950s, maybe sort of slightly earlier, so a lovely touch as you can see there. If I take this box out here, and you can see inside, if we lift this tab up here like so, what we've got for you inside is a Parker special edition polishing cloth. Inside we've got the booklet, there we go, and then to the bottom there you can see we've got a box of 5 blue cartridges. Okay, so it comes complete. Let's pop the instructions back and the polishing cloth like so. Let's pop the top on, move that to one side, and this is the pen. As you could see there, this is the Parker special edition. If we open it up for you, first of all to the very back there, Parker 51, and then just underneath, special edition. Take a look at this beauty. Let's close that up for you, let's pop it to one side, and let's concentrate on this very handsome fountain pen. What we've got for you, as we said a little bit earlier, we've got the Parker 51 special edition from 2002. Now 2002 Parker launched two Parker 51s, this one the black version and one being a Vista blue version. The Vista blue had a slightly different cap. I think it was just a sort of quite a plainish silver, but this one is the black version. Okay, now these pens were sort of based on the earlier Parker fountain pens. In my opinion, I think they look quite attractive, even though I am I'm a vintage fountain pen man. But there you go, to the end we've got the sort of grey jewel, to the top we've got this grey jewel, and let's take you up to the cap, which is I think is quite interesting. The cap on the black one is this, well, yeah, it has this sort of, they call it the Empire design. It's sort of very similar to sort of the Empire State Building. There you go, you can see these patterns going all the way to the top there. It's in silver, and it's also got, I think they term it as gold vermeil to the top there. You can see it's got this gold band to the bottom and the very recognisable Parker clip there, and a nice little touch what they've also done, you can see to the very top of the cap there they added the blue diamond, which again very reminiscent of the early Parker 51s. So in my opinion this cap is actually very nice indeed. Okay, there's the pattern again for you. Let's maybe just try a little different angle, because sometimes these very shiny pens are difficult to show. There's the clip again with a blue diamond to the top. Now if we take the cap off, which is a slip cap, again very reminiscent of the earlier version. Excuse me. Okay, again both jewels to each side there. And in this case, if we take you up, there you go, very similar. And it is similar because it's based on the vintage Parker 51. We've got the hooded nib there, just inside there you can see. We've got the sort of the clutch, more of a modern style clutch compared with the vintage. And again, the difference is inside here, which when we unscrew the barrel for you, you can see it's got a Parker converter, so you can use it with ink, or you can use the cartridges inside the box. Let's screw that back on. Now this pen, nice and simple, it's ex-stock, it's never been used, so yeah, brand new ex-stock Parker 51 special edition from 2002. A beautiful example. I'm sorry people, but I will not be doing a writing sample because I don't want to fill the pen with ink. I'm going to leave that to the new owner, because what I'm going to do, well, yeah, I mean, I didn't know whether to sort of keep it or not, but unfortunately I need to find a new home for it. So this pen will be looking for a new home, and I'm sure there's people out there that are looking for this particular model. As I say, the Parker 51 special edition, absolutely stunning, never been inked, and as you could see earlier, comes with the original box, instructions, polishing cloth, etc. So let's find it a nice new home. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy, give the video a thumbs up, and wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.